Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to find a laptop model name in Windows 11 using 4 methods. For this video, I will use Windows settings, and next one is Windows system information, next one is Windows terminal, and last one is Windows registrator. You can use either method to find your laptop model in Windows 11 PC. So let me start without any delay. First one method is through Windows settings app. For that, click on this one start button and click then settings. In the settings window, you will find this one at the top of the home category. You will find your laptop model number. In case you can't find it here, just switch to the system category in the left sidebar, then click on this one. You need to click on this one about tab at the bottom. At the top you will find your laptop model number here. Next one method is through system information. For that, click on this one start button and here type system. Just type system information and then click on this one system information in the search results. In the left sidebar, select system summary and on the right you will find system model option. Just you need to check this one option system model. Beside that you will find your laptop model number. Next one method is through this one Windows terminal. For that you need to copy and paste this one command. I will leave this uh, details in this video description also. You can copy from there. You need to right click on this one start button and here select terminal or terminal admin. In case Windows prompts, click yes, and you need to issue the command in this Windows PowerShell. In case in your PC it opens in command prompt mode, then you need to switch the profile. For that, click on this one option and here select Windows PowerShell. This will switch the profile in Windows Terminal app to PowerShell. You need to paste this one command from this one video description and then press enter on the keyboard. This will display your laptop model number immediately on your screen. Next one method is through registrator. For that you can find these details in two places. I will show you. First click on this one start button and then here type registry. In the search results click on this one registrator. In case Windows prompts, click yes. Then all you need to copy and paste this one path and press enter on the keyboard. On the right you will find this one system product name registry editor value. Just beside that you will find your laptop model number. Next one path is there are two paths in the registry editor and the next one path is this one. Beside system information key you can find system product name. Beside that you can find your laptop model number here. Like this you can follow any method to find out your laptop model number on your Windows 11 PC. In case laptop sticker or bill is missing and Windows 11 is installed on your PC, you can quickly find your laptop model number. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.